Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on profile picture zoom on Instagram. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos like this. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Step 2. Now tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Scroll down and find the section that says Who can see your content? Tap on Account Privacy under that. Step 4. Now scroll down until you see the option called Allow Profile Picture Expansion. Tap the switch next to it to turn it on. And that's it. People can now zoom in on your profile picture. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.